we will continue to strive for further growth. Construction is strong. Life is convenient. Construction materials brand MYTOW. MYTOW aims to benefit human society by creating valuable products through talent development and creative thinking with the following core values: talent development, creativity, pioneering spirit, globalization, technology convergence. We are moving forward, pursuing our medium and long-term strategic goals to build global wall systems. Top 3 anchor bolts, 100 best global items, 1,000 best domestic items, and global branches by 2020. MYTOW has developed plasterboard anchors based on the best quality, technology, and knowledge to advance into the global anchor and hardware market. Based on the passion, pioneering spirit, and creativity of our employees, we will continue to devote ourselves to R&D and develop the best products for humanity. We commit our utmost efforts to satisfy our customers. May 1995, established Bupyeong Metal. March 2006, mass-produced mobile phone parts for LG Electronics. January 2007, mass-produced auto parts for GM Daewoo. December, selected as Clean Workplace. January 2008, expanded and relocated the factory. August, ISO 9001-2004 Quality Management Systems Certification. August, ISO 14001-2004 Environmental Management Systems Certification. December, achieved international standard certifications. January 2009, started the development and production of new concept anchors for plasterboards. January, launched construction materials brand TOW. February 2010, started the development and production of new concept anchors with self-tightening nuts. February, exhibited TOW Anchor TA and TS at MBC Construction Expo. July, exhibited TOW Anchor TA and TS at PCBC Premier Building Show in San Francisco. September 2013, expanded and relocated to Knowledge Industry Center, Seongdo Smart Valley. August 2016, participated in MBC Construction Expo. October, participated in Seoul International Sourcing Fair. December, established an R&D department. January 2017, certified as a venture company. First, wall systems. Develop a basic wall system that combines design and technology by 2018. Develop parts and themes for the wall system and the converged wall system through automation by 2019. Second, TOW Plaster Anchor version 2. Start the development of safe anchors with excellent performance and adopt the basic anchors for civil engineering and construction. Third, 100 best global metal items and 1,000 best domestic metal items. Supply 1,000 metal items domestically in 2018 and build 1,000 best domestic metal items by 2019. Start supplying metal items overseas from 2018. Increase the figure to 100 in 2019 and build 100 best global metal items by 2020. Fourth, elevate to the status of a research center and establish domestic branches and distributors. Leaping forward into the future global market, MYTOW has come one step closer toward consumers through the online and offline market by introducing its flagship products, TOW Anchors and Rails, which allow general consumers to use hardware products with ease. We are also getting ready to advance into global markets such as the US, Europe, and Asia, and launch a next-generation wall system that combines tow anchors and rails. Unlike other companies, we have differentiated our products. MYTOW is moving forward step by step to continue developing and supplying new products that combine domestic manufacturing technology, accumulated R&D, and systematic designs to leap into the global market.